Have you ever wondered how professional editors achieve that deep, satisfying bounce during beat drops? It might seem complex, but it's actually much simpler than you think. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating a perfect mixtape-style shake using Alight motion, and I'll break it down into easy steps. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. Want this?
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.